One of the leading causes of death in a species of dragons is throat cancer. There are 3 genes that are thought to contribute to this disease: genes X, Y, and Z. Normal function of these genes prevents throat cancer. However, it is known that mutations in both alleles of the X gene leads to benign tumors. Mutations in both alleles of the X gene and one allele of the Y gene leads to malignant tumors, and mutations in both alleles of the X gene, one allele in the Y gene, and one allele of the Z gene leads to metastatic tumors. So what are the exact functions of each of these genes, and what kind of genes are they? We will discuss 2 types of genes: tumor suppressor genes and proto-oncogenes. Tumor suppressor genes normally prevent uncontrolled cell growth. A mutation in this gene results in a tumor if no normal allele is present, so both copies of the gene must be affected, making this a recessive mutation. Proto-oncogenes normally promote cell division, but must be activated to be regulated properly. A mutation in a proto-oncogene results in an oncogene that allows uncontrolled cell division. A mutation in only one copy of a proto-oncogene is needed to result in a tumor, so this is a dominant mutation. Since a mutation in gene X is present in all types of throat cancer and both alleles must be affected to result in a tumor, we can conclude that gene X is a tumor suppressor gene. Gene X is normally the first line of defense and prevents the existence of tumors. A mutation in only gene X will result in a benign tumor that does not spread to the rest of the throat tissue. Gene Y is normally a proto-oncogene because a mutation in only one allele is required to result in uncontrolled cell division. A mutation in this gene, in addition to a mutation in gene X, will allow a benign tumor to spread to the rest of the throat tissue as a malignant tumor. Gene Z is also normally a proto-oncogene because a mutation in only one allele is required to result in uncontrolled cell division. This gene is basically a doorway to the bloodstream. It normally would prevent a malignant tumor from spreading to other tissues by blocking off the bloodstream at the level of cell division. But as soon as there is a mutation in all 3 genes, the tumor will go from benign to malignant to metastatic, and other parts of the body will be affected, likely resulting in death of the dragon.